Hey everybody, ordered a bag from Temu. Got it in, took about 13 days to get here. My first order from Temu, and I haven't opened it yet. Seems to be taped together pretty well. Ordered it back on February 16th, delivered on March 1st, and thought I'd try them out. Whenever we're traveling, we like to try to stay organized, and of course saving money while doing that is a key thing. So let's open this up and see what we got. Goodness. They taped it real well. Oh, first thing I ordered was a backpack to carry a laptop in. Well, that looks pretty nice. Have to say I'm impressed with the packaging. Wow. Pretty good size, looks good. Seems to be exactly what I ordered. That'll do good to hold a laptop in. Got lots of pockets. Got straps, you can wear it like a backpack, or handles to carry it. Stick around until the end of the video and I'll tell you what I really think about it and how much I paid for it, which might surprise you actually. Got two big pockets. See down on the inside there? Wow, that's rather nice. Rather nice. The other thing I ordered was a little bag to keep your electronic pieces in. All your cords, cables, chargers, all that. Travel digital bag. Looks pretty nice. Looks kind of solid. Got all these little pockets in it here. Straps. And this comes out and you can set your size in there to hold things. That ought to help tremendously. I'd never ordered from Temu before. Seen them advertised a few times, and then I saw them on a Super Bowl commercial, and I thought, well, if they'll spend the money for the Super Bowl commercial, they must be legit. So I thought I'd give them a try. Now let's look at what I paid for them. Here's the two items I ordered, and as you can see, the case was $6.38, and the big canvas bag to hold up to a 17.3 inch computer was $3.79. So all told, with the sales tax, the shipping was free. This total order of the two bags was $11.08. Now I've since checked, and the bag is over $35 the last time I looked, but my recommendation would be to give them a try. Look at what you're getting, and I can't vouch for anything except these two items, but I believe I might try them again. If you've got a couple of weeks to wait for your items and don't mind, then you can, I believe you can save a lot of money. And the more money you save on things like this, the more money you have to travel with. I hope you like this. If you did, give me the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you all around. Love y'all.